If you do find a young bird on the ground, I know they can sometimes look very vulnerable, but they don't always require a rescue. Some things that may help you indicate if the bird does require a rescue are if they're very small and they don't have any feathers, if their eyes are closed, if they're unable to stand up, or if you can't locate any parent birds in the area. If the baby is a little bit bigger and does have its feathers coming through and is able to walk around, you might want to get through to wires first, as we might be able to guide you on how to reunite the chick to its parents in the tree.